Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and today we are at the Showcase of Citrus. So stick around and check it out. So the Showcase of Citrus is in Clearmont, Florida. And you're probably wondering, how in the world did I find this place? Well, right when I moved to Florida, I lived in Clearmont, and we were just driving around and found this place. So the first time I came here, it was just that building that's behind me right now. That was the only thing open, and that was just like a cleaning station for like their oranges and grapefruits and stuff like that. But then they extended it, and now that I'm here, I think I haven't been here about 2 years. They've extended it even more. So let's go check it out. All right. Yeah, that's the other extension they have right there. Showcase of Citrus, world's fresh air attraction. All the cool tractors. You got your pappy. Souvenir. Pennies. Soldar. Give you a fortune. Has a bag of oranges. All the old sodas. Pimple Pop. Butter soda. King Kong Cola. I'll have to try some of these. I got pumpkin pie, carrot cake, coffee cake, key lime pie, bacon soda. Oh no, I had to try that.
I see you over there. Yes, you.
So the cool thing about the citrus place, that's what I call it, the citrus place, is they have their own line of like salsas, jams.
Doing a podcast.
YouTube.
YouTube.
They have their own soups, jams, jellies, things like that. So there's their salsas, bacon salsa. Their black bean sauce is really good. Cajun candy. That's probably hot. So my favorite thing to get here is apple butter. Let me see if I can't find it. Yeah, pecan apple butter. That's like my favorite thing to get here. But they also got their like sauces and stuff. Got their amazing wine brownies. They're pairing up wines and brownies together. That's really cool. Their own, they got their own honeys. So I know they sell honey sticks, and the cool thing is, if you eat honey from the area you live in, it helps with your allergies, which is cool. So yeah, I need to get some honey. They got these cool coasters. Friends don't let friends drink boxed wine. Wow. They also got their line of soaps now. Oh, that's really cool. It smells really good. It's lavender. Oatmeal, honey oatmeal. So they have a gem mine. You can buy the bags and go to a little mine thing over there. Kind of like how they do in Old Town. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link up to it at the top. You can even grow your own lime tree, an orange tree.
I hear you.
Got fruits and candies. Got you a whole slew of gator heads. They're real gator heads. You can feed the animals. We're totally gonna do that. We got a bakery now. It's really cool. Wow. So they got their oranges and lemons, tangerines, their lemons. Yes, this is where you do the gem mine. You get that bag of dirt, and you come over here, and you just mine it in the thing. They give you a little pan thingy to mine it in. The world's largest 4x4 trucks. You can see it over there. We're totally going to do that. You can see the animals back there. We're going to get some animal food and go feed them. But also about the citrus places, you can pick your own oranges and whatever they have growing, like whatever season it is, which is really cool. Alright, so we got our cup of corn. We're gonna feed some animals. Sweet. You want some corn? Yeah, bud. He's like, I'm over here by myself. Some corn dust. It's a mini. You gotta feed the mini. You gotta feed the mini. You see? Feeding donkey and pony may bite or fart. That's funny. No, that's my microphone. I also try to eat my microphone. So you can come out here and feed the animals. They have buckets of like carrots and lettuce, and they got the corn, and they got the feed, and then they got the little the hay pellet thingies. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so this is the new section. This section used to be like a little cleaning station for their fruits and all that, but now they've turned it into like a big huge wine thing. Carolina Nut Company. Oh, they got Venice. They got beef jerky, got buffalo, got elk, venison. So you can like taste test wines and stuff. So they got their hot sauces, orange habanero madness, jeez, pumpkin spice, cranberry jalapeno hot sauce. That's really cool. Oh, there's a pirate one, Caribbean gold mine sauce. That's really cool. They got key lime one too, swamp juice, red wine, blueberry, cranberry, key lime. So here's all the honey. There's the honey sticks I was talking about. They have them flavored as well too. There's more of their honeys. Uncle Sam wants you. Check out the cool mural. So this creamsicle thing right here, it's the best thing in the world. It's like an orange creamsicle, and they like this is the only place that has it. It's really, really good. See if these guys need any help. Excuse me. Oh, but they don't have any heads. You're not gonna get that fixed. Look at all the cool farming equipment. That's cool. It's like a little pavilion. I guess they have like concerts and stuff out here. Like parties. Wow. So they have a sign. You can see where what's in season. Grapefruit, tangerine. It also shows you their fields.
Get back. Right out of my eye.
So the guy said we're 12 feet up in the air.
The Arnold family purchased this property back in the 1960s, and there's several generations that live on the ranch as well as work here. Right now we're in the lower 500 acres. It's all citrus, will be going up in the upper 2,000 acres. It's all cattle ranch. When you look at our citrus trees out here, you see we got quite a few trees that are dead or dying, a lot of dead limbs. And that's from a disease called the citrus greening disease. That came over from Asia in the 1990s, and other plants spread into our citrus industry. This is a variety of the Southall meadow palm over here. And it'll get a blossom 2 to 3 feet in length, be all white or all yellow. Then it'll get these large clusters of berries, similar to the color of a coffee bean, but a lot bigger. And the pharmaceutical companies will harvest the berries, they process them, and they become prostate medication, urinary tract medication. Those buildings off in the distance over there, 3 in the background are about 400 feet long, about 40 feet wide. We take all the animal waste from Animal Kingdom in Disney. They bring that over here in large trucks, and we spread it into the drying bins, and then we apply it to our fields for fertilizer. So Disney gets rid of all the animal waste, and we benefit from it for fertilizer.
Oh, oranges.
Okay, I'm going to come down to the center of the truck. If you folks want to take a piece of citrus and throw it over to the cattle, you're welcome to do it. The zebra won't eat the citrus. I got other treats I'll pass on.
You gotta pay attention. No, you didn't. You did it the wrong way. Grandpa needs
So that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that, and I learned a lot. Really cool. So I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then I'm probably going to shop around a little bit. So I'll show you what I get. I got the baking soda. We'll try it out. She asked if I wanted her to open up my bottle, and I was like, nah, I got it. I got you, girl. It's not that bad. It's pretty good. Also got the I survived the monster truck shirt. Also got some honey, wildflower honey. Also got the pecan apple butter. This is my favorite, especially on like toast. Oof, buddy. Also got some beef jerky. I got elk, buffalo, and venison. I got the venison for camera operator Jen because she likes venison. But I'm going to try the buffalo. Pretty good. I also got Uncle Buck's deep fried peanuts. I've never had deep fried peanuts. Ever. I always had boiled peanuts. Never deep fried. It says you can eat the shell as well. Oh, it's got garlic on it too. Pretty good. That's really good. I've never had anything like deep fried like that before. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our day here at the Showcase of Citrus, Florida's fresh air attraction. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we drop cool videos like this one. Also check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and on our Facebook page you can check out our shop where we have the Beast Box from Rogue Magnetics, and we have the Austrian cookbook. In the description below there will be a link to our bigger shop where you can get cool Waller Adventures merch, and I will also put a link to the Showcase of Citrus website so you can check out more info. So thanks for watching. See you soon.